Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com. I'll show how to make a crochet cord with 2 crochet hooks in this tutorial video. I'll show both this 4-sided fishtail braid design as well as this 4-sided chain stitch that resembles a knitted I-cord. For my sample, I'm using macrame cord and a large crochet hook, but any size yarn and hook can be used. To begin, start with the regular slip knot, and it doesn't matter how it's made as long as it's a slip knot. On the back of slip knots, there is a little stitch located right here. My second crochet hook will be going under that little loop at the back of the slip knot. I'm putting my first crochet hook back into the normal loop of the original slip knot. Then I'm placing my second crochet hook where I had the yarn needle and turning things back around so the first crochet hook is on my right. From now on, just yarn over and make a chain stitch. Or technically, it's also a slip stitch. I like to bring my yarn forward at this time. When working with this for the first time, it helps to go slow and think about the steps, but afterwards it becomes very automatic and easy to do. Then rotate the work so the other crochet hook does a yarn over and make a chain, otherwise known as a slip stitch. Keep rotating the work so the other crochet hook gets to make a chain stitch. And then rotate it again so the other crochet hook gets to make a chain stitch as well. I find with crochet cords that it takes at least 10 rows for the cords to start looking like cords. However, even after a few rotations, the vertical chain stitch is starting to become visible. Continue making a chain stitch and then rotating the work so the other crochet hook gets to make a chain stitch. And repeat this process for as many rotations needed to create a belt, necklace, keychain, handbag handle, and other cord-like items. For the end, I just remove the crochet hooks, make a yarn over, and pull through, then one last pull through at the end to secure everything in place. Now for the fishtail braid design with the 4 sides. It's made pretty much like the other cord, with one small exception when making the chain stitches. So I'm starting out with the slip knot and then inserting the second crochet hook into the back loop of the slip stitch. Then I turn the hooks back around to the front and begin just like I did before with the yarn over and pull through. And then I rotate the work so that the second crochet hook then makes the same type of chain stitch. I rotate my work back to the front again. Take note of the previous chain stitch made. I'm inserting my hook first into the side of the chain stitch, and then I do my yarn over and pull through to create a chain stitch. This is basically a linked chain stitch or a linked slip stitch. Then I rotate my work and do the very same thing with my second crochet hook. I slip stitch into the previous chain first before I continue on with making a chain stitch with that hook. Then I rotate my work again and follow the same procedure with inserting the hook into the previous stitch first before making the new stitch. I continue with the process, inserting my crochet hook into the previous chain stitch first, before making the new chain stitch. After several times doing this procedure, the 4-sided fishtail braid design starts to form in the work. Once the braid has been completed, I finish the cord the same way as before, with the yarn over and pull through twice to secure it. And that's how I crochet cords with 2 crochet hooks.